Hi friends!
Hi friends!
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we're gonna draw something that flies up in the sky. It's something that you have to take if you're gonna go on a really long trip. Any ideas?
I think an airplane.
An airplane, yeah. Who likes airplanes?
I do.
You like
I've
airplanes?
been on one a lot.
You've been on a few airplanes? Okay, so for this, what you're gonna wanna do is grab a piece of paper, grab a marker or a pencil, whatever you wanna draw with. Okay, so for this, what we're gonna wanna do is draw a line from here to here to draw just the top part of the airplane. I'm gonna turn my page like this because it's a little bit easier for me. So I'm gonna do from about here till about there. Just make like a line. You want to leave some space here, you want to leave some space there. Just draw a straight line across. Yep. And then what we're going to want to do is take this line and we're going to just kind of bring it down at an angle. So kind of go like this.
Bigger.
I want to make it bigger, yeah.
Thicker.
And then what we're gonna do is, this is gonna be like the front part of the airplane, and then we're gonna round this part out to make the nose. And then we're gonna make a line. Yeah, we're gonna make a line that goes probably about to here, because around here we're gonna draw a wing. So I'm gonna just make a dot right here so I know where it's gonna end. And then I'm just gonna make a curve. Actually, why don't we just draw a line, sorry, from here to here. I think that'll be easier first.
Here?
Like that.
Starting from here?
And then make a curve.
Starting from here?
I would say like a little bit more here somewhere.
Here?
Yeah. And then just draw a straight line to here and then make a curve going up. Yep.
That's a kind of a nose.
Exactly. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw the wing. So that's going to be like a line that's going to be at an angle going this way. So I would say somewhere like around here, make a line that's going to go something like this. So like that. And I'm going to connect this part.
From here?
Yeah, from here, and then at an angle going towards the left side. A diagonal. Yeah.
And then I'm going to connect this part like that.
And then, no, what you want to do is you just want to connect these two lines instead of making a line there. So there's just going to be this right here and that line going down. Okay. And then we're going to actually go and expand on the wing. So let's do another part of the wing somewhere like right here. So let's do a line actually from here to here. So that's going to be the top part of this wing. Yep. And then we're going to want to bring this line down diagonally too. So I'm going to go like this. And make a straight line just from here to here, and I'm going to connect these two. So watch this first. This, keep bringing it down until they meet at the same place. Beautiful. And if we're going too fast, remember you can always pause the video. And don't worry about making mistakes. This is just a fun doodle exercise. You can do it as many times as you want, or just have fun with it and see what happens as you keep going. Okay, so now that we have this wing done, we are gonna continue working on the body of the plane. So I'm gonna make a line from here to here. Okay, so we're gonna do that. And then I'm gonna make this line a little bit longer because we're gonna curve this line up. So actually I'm gonna go a little bit longer than that part, just a little bit. And we might connect them a little bit in a second. And then we're gonna draw this line going up to here at an angle, but kind of like a curvy angle. So we're gonna go like this. And if you don't reach this part, don't worry, we're just gonna connect these two. Yep. So I'm just gonna connect these two because they go together. Okay, so that's just the general body. And now what we wanna do is add another piece up here. That's another wing of the plane that goes up. So for this part, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go straight up like this, kind of like a curve, but straight up like that. And then make a line that's like this, a short line.
It kind of looks like it's connecting to this part right here.
Yeah. Make a little line. And then we're gonna make a curvy line. We're gonna make a curvy line, kind of looks like a slide that goes down like this.
Yeah.
So
I draw slides all the time.
Like that. See?
Whee.
There you go. Could you slide down this, you think? Whee!
No. No.
Okay, so looks like we have so far 2 of these guys. Let's draw one over here so you can see like the back wing, right?
How many wings are there?
On this plane, we're gonna do this many, like 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna do maybe like a 1 down here. So for this one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go from the bottom to the top. And we're just gonna make like a shorter wing because it's gonna give you perspective. This one's bigger and longer. This one's a little bit shorter because it's behind, okay? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is...
it's not the full thing yet.
Yeah, you're just gonna see that there's a wing right there. So just draw a diagonal line like that. And draw a short line like this. And then go ahead and draw the same type of angle going down.
My marker was kind of saying, go down like this.
And then I would make that line just a little bit longer on the top. Just a little bit. Yep. And then bring it down at the same angle going down. Beautiful. Okay, and then one more piece I want to add is like a tail in the end. So what I'm going to do is let's make a line, a diagonal line that's going down like that.
Kind of tiny?
Tiny line, yeah. It's just a little tiny tail at the end. And let's make a line going like this. And then bring it back up at the same angle like that. Okay, great. Now, let's add, before we add the windows and all that parts, I'm just gonna add a line right here just to show that there's like a top part of it and a bottom part.
Oh yeah, I never
You know how
been
planes
on this kind of
have a different divider? So like the baggages and luggages, they all go down here on the bottom and then the people sit up here. So we're just gonna draw this line, yeah, across somewhere on the bottom part of the plane. Yes.
Connect.
Beautiful. And oh, one more thing that I forgot is down here, we want like part of the engine part of the plane. So here what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a line going like that. Tiny line, yep. We're gonna do a line a little bit below that. It's gonna be a little bit longer because it's going down at the angle. And then we're gonna draw a curve like that. A curve like that, okay? Beautiful. So how about now we draw some windows, okay? So for the first window where the captain sits, I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. So we're gonna do like a long C shape like that, connecting the top part to the bottom. And for the rest of the windows, I'm just gonna draw circles, just going down in a row along the plane. And you can make it go as far back as you want.
I think I've done those kinds before, but I really think I usually don't have circles.
So make circles and just make sure there's space in between them.
Why space?
Make sure, because usually when you're sitting on an airplane, there's space in between the circles because there's a person sitting here and then there's a space because of the chair and then there's another person sitting here. So keep making circles.
A lot of circles.
Yeah, make as many as you want. And
how do you make those perfect circles?
Just make there we go. I think I'm gonna do that many. I'm just gonna leave that part.
That's good.
Beautiful. And how about we add just like a little bit of decoration to this airplane? We can draw like some stripes. You guys can draw pictures. I'm just gonna add some stripey lines. So I'm just gonna make a line going like this.
Pictures are easy.
Or you can draw a picture of a face, you know, because different airplanes have different pictures. That means that it's a different type of an airline that you'll fly.
Airline.
Maybe make another stripe at an angle going that way.
I don't know what an airline is.
And then how about we'll make another stripe going this way just to show that it's the same style of wings. So I'm gonna go this angle going this way and this way. Exactly. All right, and how about we add maybe some fun other things, like maybe a cloud?
I'm gonna draw a cloud with the sun.
You can do a cloud, you could do a sun. I'm gonna do a cloud, so I'm just gonna make a line from here to here. And then clouds are pretty puffy, so I'm just gonna make these like semicircle loops that go like this, maybe a bigger one, different sizes, and coming down. And I'm just gonna connect this too because it's not long enough. So that's gonna be my puffy cloud. And then how about we draw some lines, like some dash marks, just to make it look like it's flying in the air. So like, for example, I'll draw one like that and another one like that. And see how it already looks like, whoosh, like there's wind. And then how about we'll do another dash line here and another one here. So I'm gonna turn this at an angle so it's easier for me to work on it. So go like this and like that. And that just makes it feel like it's moving, makes it look like it's moving, right? Beautiful. And I think that's it. You guys are welcome to draw maybe a little people inside these windows. You can decorate your plane with different drawings or doodles, do whatever you think is, whatever your imagination takes you. So at this point, we're gonna speed up the video. You guys are welcome to pause and color it in, and we're gonna do the same and then come back afterwards to see how we did.
Yep.
Let's go. All right, so here we are. Here's our finished airplanes.
Yeah.
I love yours, Lila. This looks so much fun. Okay, let's show yours a little bit close up. Looks like you colored yours pink and purple with some greenish color accents on the wings.
That's actually blue.
Oh, it's bluish greenish. And then, oh, looks like you added a sunshine.
Yeah.
Very fun. Yours turned out great. Did you enjoy this?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then here's my airplane. I just colored mine in like a greenish and yellow color with the cloud. But just like Lila did, you guys can add a sunshine, maybe more clouds. You can add some people, maybe a captain in the airplane. So
yeah, that may be fun.
Yeah, so just have fun with this. Thank you so much for doing this drawing exercise with us. We really hope you enjoyed it. And we'd love to see how your airplane drawings turned out. Yeah, Lila? Yeah, you want to see how other people did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so please take a photo and share with us. The information for how to do that is below this video. And if you want to see more drawing examples like this, please give this video a
thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and share this video with a friend. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.